Welcome po to Reviewers, a compilation of exam reviewers and item explanations. What if this is our question po? Discover the principle involved in the given series and determine the next element. We have here 10, 17, 26, and 37. Is it A, 48, B, 49, C, 50, or D, 51? As mentioned po, kagaya po nung ibang video na na-share ko na po dito, kapag may mga numbers po, usually we look at the common difference. Yung common difference is the same difference in each of the numbers between each element or numbers. Kagaya po dito, 10 to 7, kasi nga number po ito, yung first natin na i-consider is the addition po. So we have plus 7 here. Okay? Now, next here, we have 17 to 26. We have plus 9. In this case, yung idea po na common difference is no longer possible. Kasi tinatawag po siyang common difference kapag yung difference po nila ay magkapareha. Dito po is plus 7 and saka plus 9. And worst, for our third here, we have here plus 11. So, hindi po gagana dito yung common difference. However, if you have some situations like this, you could proceed at the second level. Second level common difference po. Kagaya po nito. We have here the difference between the differences. Okay? So we have 7 to 9. You actually have a difference of 2. Okay? Or, yeah, that's 2. And when you have 9 to 11, that's also a difference of 2. In short, yung next difference po dito sa next element na hinahanap natin should have a difference also, second level difference of plus 2. In short, this should be plus 13 because we have here a common second level difference. That's one way po to hit this problem. Or, kung pwede nyo naman gamitin yung first difference, and you could see po dito na these are in odd numbers po in increasing order. 7, next odd is 9, next odd is 11, and ultimately the next odd is 13. So ito po yung level of the yung difference na kailangan natin to get the next element in this number series. And that would be 37 plus 13. Now we know that the final answer here is 50. Because that's the result when you have the difference of 13 added to 37. So ito po yung mangyayari kapag wala po kayo makikitang common difference. You go to the second level, and if hindi na po natin makikita yung second level, baka may ibang involved na process din po. Actually here, we're just so happy and we're just so lucky that we were able to get this kind of situation, and that's the answer for this item. Once again po, ito po yung reviewers. Don't forget po to subscribe on our channel, like our videos, and if kaya naman po, pakishare na lang din po. And leave a comment po for our future videos improvement. And follow our FB page and stay tuned for more videos. Maraming salamat!